Hi, my name's Victoria and I'm going to be showing you how to use the image widget. The image widget can be used to place an image either in your blog or in a web page on Workspace. So I'm going to go to the weddings page on the scope demo site and add an image to the bottom section here. So you can see the image widget is already there. I'm going to just go ahead and delete that one and click the add widget button. And the image widget is the first widget under text and image media elements. So just open that up here, and there's a few different ways you can add an image to this widget. You can upload an image by dragging and dropping a file or selecting a file. You can select an image from your event images, and a list of your events will drop down here. You can also filter the images by the collections you've set up in your events. The media library. The media library is where all of the images end up that you've uploaded to a web page or blog post in Workspace, or you can add an image from a URL if you like. I'm going to be adding an image from the event images section, so click on the drop down and pick the event that you want to use. You can scroll through the pages to find the image you want. This is the image that I want to use, and click save. So there it is there. And we'll preview this. So you can see that the image is just down here. You can also see if you drag the corner of the page that it is responsive and the images turn into a single column just like that. It's also worth pointing out that the images change size depending on how many columns you have. So you can select how many columns you have with the column layouts button. We have 2 columns there of equal size. You might like to try a few different column layouts to see which one you like best. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.